Hi everyone, this is Fariba. Welcome back to the Watch Knitting channel. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this soft light fade fabric pattern with shapes that resemble tiny inverted Greek letters pie. It creates a lovely geometric texture perfect for cardigans and other light projects. The technique is super easy, so if you are a beginner, I really recommend giving it a try. It also looks especially beautiful when worked with finer yarns, giving the fabric a soft and elegant drape. Here is how the back side looks. Both sides are quite pretty, so you can use either one as the front. For this pattern, you'll need to cast on a multiple of 2 plus 1 stitch, so any odd number will work. The pattern is a 4-row repeat, but the design itself is formed within just 2 rows. The first 2 rows are simply knit stitches. For my demo, I've cast on 15 stitches using fine weight yarn and 2.5 millimeter needles. If you would like to knit along with me, go ahead and prepare your cast on edge and let's get started. The pattern starts on the right side. For the edge stitches, I slip the first stitch without knitting at the beginning and knit the last stitch at the end. But for the very first row here, I'm gonna knit this stitch. From the next row, I will pick up without knitting. So for row 1 of the pattern will be knitting across this row. So you simply knit everything across this row. Let's knit together. Okay, last stitch I'm gonna knit as well. You can purl that one as well. Some people only purl it. Row 2, the same thing. I pick up my edge stitch and knit across this row. That gives me garter stitch. For the first 2 rows, we just simply knit everything. Okay, now row 3, which starts the shaping the pattern. I slip my edge stitch without knitting. Then we're gonna work next 2 stitches. First stitch will be knit stitch, simple knit stitch. Then you bring the yarn to the front and slip the next stitch purlwise to the right needle. And repeat again, knit 1, bring the yarn to the front and slip 1. Knit 1, yarn front, slip 1. Knit 1, yarn front, slip 1. You continue till end of this row. At the end, I will knit my last stitch. This is that symmetrical stitch, and then knit the edge stitch. Row 4, which is the last row of the repeat, I pick up my edge stitch. Now I have one purl stitch. I purl that stitch. Now I have that slip stitch. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the yarn to the back, yarn at the back, and slip the next stitch purlwise to the right needle again. Bring the yarn to the front, purl 1, take it back, slip 1, purlwise, yarn front, purl 1, back, slip 1, yarn front, purl 1, back, slip 1, and you continue across this row, purl 1, slip 1, and last stitch will be purl stitch and knitting the edge stitch. So here is the back side and here is the front, and as you can see already those little pies are showing now, and you keep repeating the same thing, you're gonna get this pattern. As you can see, it's super simple, super easy to get to this pattern. One more thing, just to let you know guys, you may be confused with the rows here. Just remind yourself with the tail here. Whenever the tail is on your right side, you are either working row 1 or row 3. So you look at your stitches. If the previous row was looking at the purl stitches, then you're gonna work row 3 now. So for row 3, I pick up my edge stitch, I knit 1, bring the yarn to the front and slip 1, knit 1 and slip 1, and this is the pattern you get. It's super cool, easy to get to this pattern. You can use for many projects, especially for those one that you need to have it reversible, because the back side is also great. I hope you guys try this stitch and let me know what you think about it. I try to bring simple stuff. I hope you guys enjoy it and give it a try. If you have any questions, I'll be replying to your comments. Let me know what you think about this and stay tuned for more tutorials from me. You have a good day and enjoy your knitting time.